everyone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you how you can draw a flowchart in MS Word. So, you will go to the option Insert and go to the Illustrations and then click the option Shapes and draw the shape of your choice by clicking and dragging the mouse like this. So, select many other shapes to complete the layout of flow chart like this one by one. When the layout is complete, select the option Align and align the shapes in your choice. For example, I align it in middle. Now the alignment is complete. Draw the arrows from the insert box from the shapes box and choose the line or arrow option and draw it in this way. Now you can also write in the text box. By double clicking on the box, you can write the text of your choice in the box like this. You can also change the shape and color of the box by selecting the shape effects. And here the flowchart is complete. So I hope you will like this video. If you like the video, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you.